We first introduced CNG hoses in our hose program more than 10 years ago. It all started with the increasing demand for cleaner energy. Gas fuel like CNG, LPG, or even hydrogen require to be compressed to refuel the vehicle. We have to deal with high pressure. The high pressure requires that you will have a high pressure system between the dispensing unit and the vehicle. And that's where our game starts.
But what is specific about thermoplastic? Thermoplastic is specific because permeation.
Yeah, correct. We are talking about explosive gas at high pressure, and the problem that we have to overcome is to create an assembly, and the entire assembly should be free of leakages, and the material used has very low permeability. And moreover, considering the possible electric charge that can be built up in the assemblies, we use a co-extrusion inner tube in order to create a thin conductive layer inside to prevent any buildup of electric charge.
So basically you are mixing three very peculiar elements: high pressure, low permeability, and conductivity.
This is not a product that everybody has in their program.
The key point, you have to build the safety factors into the product. So the permeability is one of the key elements of the product, and the conductivity is also the other element, so we don't need to create any possible spark. So the conductivity combined with the permeability is what is making this product safe for application we have to provide.
And we are achieving this conductivity still using thermoplastic polymer and not using steel, because we want that this hose handy, because this hose could be used by everyone refueling his car.
We achieve the conductivity for this hose by using a conductive polymer on the inner tube. Thinner layer of conductive polymer plus another layer in the inner tube of material that has a very low permeability is the best product for the application. The level of conductivity for this type of hose is pretty high considering the polymer.
And Transferol is one of the few manufacturers that has the full compliance for its CNG range.
It's not just a test related to the hose itself, but also a test that involves the entire assemblies. And the specific fittings were tested by CSA in terms of mechanical strength due to the specific application. We obtained the certification for the entire hose range, so starting from the 1/4 inch up to the 1 inch hose.
Along the time, we have regular audit on the production where CSA is actually checking and if we are capable of maintaining the performances we were declaring during the certification process. It is also required that we keep the full traceability of the products, so we have to record every single product.
Hydrogen is definitely the new frontier in terms of renewable energy. Pressures are dramatically higher than the CNG, the one that we've used to before.
This process can be seen also with hydrogen gas.
But we also have a very high pressure range of valves, tubing and adapters that can be used together with the hydrogen hose.